Hi guys! I want to share to you one of the restaurants that have the best view of the remarkable Niagara Falls with extra fireworks display that makes it more astonishing. Yung pogi kong boyfriend ay nag-ayangan na kumain kami sa labas. Ito na rin yung birthday celebration namin dahil birthday niya the next day. Nahiya pa akong mag-video nito kasi bago pa lang kami ni Handsome Boy. Yun madalas tawag sa kanya ng mga Pinoy dito. His name is Andrew, by the way. He's asking someone on the phone about the restaurant na kakakainan namin. Ito pala ay Prime Steakhouse Restaurant that is located inside Crown Plaza Hotel Building at 10th floor. Pag-akyat nga namin, ito ang bumungad na view. Abay, napakaganda, di ba? Kitang-kita yung dalawang falls dito. Yung Horseshoe Falls at yung American Falls. At napakagandang pagmasdan ng mga napakaraming ilaw. Lalong-lalo na yung malaking Ferris wheel na kung tawagin dito ay Sky Wheel in Clifton Hills. At ayan, nag-order na nga si Handsome Boy. At ako, panay video lang. Pogi ba naman eh. At mesmerizing talaga yung view dito, promise. Inattach ko na rin dito yung menu ng Prime Steakhouse Restaurant. Di na maawat at nag-selfie video na nga ako dito at ang falls. Ganda ko, no? Ganda ng falls. Paiba-iba pa kulay. Tapos na kami kumain nito. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung pagkain. Next time na lang. At sakto nga pag video ko, nag-start naman yung fireworks display. Grabe. Napakagandang timing. Nakaka-amaze panoorin ang fireworks. Plus, sino-showcase niya yung Niagara Falls. Wow na wow talaga. Fast forward ko na yung part na to para mabilis yung fireworks. Pero ang ganda niya talaga. At syempre, hindi pwedeng wala tayong selfie video dyan kasama ang fireworks. Ebidensya ba? At ayan, sinama ko nga si Handsome Boy. First selfie video ever namin to. Yung fireworks display pala, tumatagal siya ng 5 minutes every 8 p.m. yan during winter, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and holidays. And 10 p.m. naman during summer, almost every day yan. And they have the colorful illumination of the city's famous waterfalls every night yan. At dito na nga nagtatapos ang aking pag-voice over vlog, guys. Mag-flying kiss muna ang aking Handsome Boy. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and share our videos. And syempre, flying kiss din daw for me. Sana nahihiya pa dyan. Thank you guys. See you in your next video. Bye-bye.